In this video, I'm going to show you the solution to the problem outlined by this slide. We are being asked to differentiate the following with respect to x. We have y equal to 2x, where x is raised to the power a. As in the previous few videos in the playlist, we'll be using the power rule to assist with this solution. And I've put the power rule here just for you to be able to refer to it. We have y equals 2x to the power a. We can write this as dy dx equals, we bring the a down and we multiply the 2x and we take 1 from the power, which gives us this a minus 1. Continuing, we put dy dx equals, I rewrite this as 2a, then we carry on writing out the rest of the solution. Just to emphasize the change, you can see here it was a2, and all I've done, I've swapped it round here to read 2a. So we can write out for y equals 2x to the power a. We have dy dx being equal to 2a x a to the minus 1.